artificial intelligence.
You're probably already using AI at work. ChatGPT to polish an email, Claude to summarize a document, or maybe just to think through a problem faster. AI tools are becoming part of our everyday work. They can help us write faster, analyze data, brainstorm ideas, and solve problems in minutes instead of hours. But with that power comes responsibility. Today, we're going to talk about how to use AI safely, what's considered sensitive data, where AI can make you more productive, and where it should never be used. Let's start with the most important question. What is sensitive data that should never be used with AI? Sensitive data is anything that could cause harm if exposed outside the company. Think about what you work with every day. Performance reviews with salary details, customer information that includes PHI or financial data, those API keys and passwords you use to access systems, your company's source code, upcoming business plans, confidential contracts. All of it needs to stay inside company walls. A simple rule of thumb: if you wouldn't post it on a public website or send it to a stranger, don't put it into an AI prompt. This is one of the easiest ways data accidentally leaves our control. Picture this. You're drafting a performance review with an employee's name and department details, asking ChatGPT to polish it up. Perhaps you're analyzing real customer data to spot trends, or summarizing a highly confidential document for a quick briefing. Or maybe you're debugging some tricky internal code and paste it into Claude. The moment you hit enter, that data gets logged and stored on servers you don't control. AI providers keep your prompts, review conversations for quality, and use them to train their models. Your employee data, your code, your customer information, it all becomes part of their system. And once it's there, you can't get it back. Even if raw data isn't pasted, AI can infer sensitive information with enough context that could have legal ramifications. Repeated prompts about a specific employee issue or a security incident? That could all be discoverable in legal proceedings later. Now here's where we need to work together. AI is starting to be integrated everywhere in your company: document repositories, ticketing systems, source code platforms, knowledge bases. Some AI assistants are integrated with systems that contain sensitive data, and it's challenging to keep all these applications perfectly configured. A misconfigured AI can be tricked into exposing data it technically has access to, potentially giving you more access than your role authorizes. If you ever see data you shouldn't have access to, report it immediately so we can fix the configuration. This is where security needs your partnership to keep everyone safe. So why are we so focused on keeping our data out of public AI tools? Because prompt injection is a fast-growing AI-specific threat. There's no hacking involved, just carefully crafted language that exploits how AI follows instructions. Here's how it works. Attackers embed hidden instructions inside documents, emails, or web content. When someone pastes that content into a public AI tool, along with internal notes or proprietary data, the AI may follow the attacker's instructions instead of yours. The result? Confidential information gets disclosed, and there's no malware, no exploit, and no security alert to catch it, just language manipulating the AI. This is why confidential data should never be entered into public AI tools. So what should you do? Use AI for the productivity boost it offers: drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, learning new concepts, but always pause before hitting send. Ask yourself, would I be comfortable if this data ended up on a public website? If the answer is no, keep it out of the prompt. We're all in this together. AI is a powerful tool, and with your help, we can use it safely and responsibly.